In an era of rapid technological advancement, ensuring robust IT security measures is paramount for businesses and organizations worldwide. As an IT security specialist, your role is pivotal in safeguarding sensitive data, systems, and networks from ever-evolving cyber threats. This comprehensive guide equips you with the knowledge, strategies, best practices, and tools necessary to effectively protect digital assets and mitigate security risks. Overview of cybersecurity principles and concepts, common cyber threats and attack vectors, importance of risk assessment and threat modeling, designing a layered security approach, implementing industry standard frameworks, for example, NIST, ISO 27001, creating and enforcing security policies and procedures, network security essentials, firewalls, VPNs, intrusion detection, prevention systems, best practices for securing routers, switches, and other network devices, implementing secure configurations and access controls, data encryption techniques and protocols, data classification and handling procedures, compliance with data protection regulations, for example, GDPR, HIPAA, role-based access control, RBAC, and least privilege principle, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and biometric authentication, identity federation, and single sign-on, SSO solutions, developing incident response plans and procedures, incident detection, analysis, and containment strategies, business continuity planning and disaster recovery strategies, cloud security considerations and best practices, Internet of Things, IoT, security challenges and solutions, artificial intelligence and machine learning in cybersecurity, security awareness training for employees, implementing security controls and conducting regular audits, leveraging threat intelligence and staying updated on industry trends. As an IT security specialist, your commitment to upholding the highest standards of security is instrumental in safeguarding organizations against cyber threats. By leveraging the knowledge, strategies, best practices, and tools outlined in this guide, you can effectively protect digital assets, mitigate risks, and contribute to a secure and resilient digital ecosystem. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and continue to evolve with the ever-changing cyber